In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an unknown error occurred on Power Apps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this error, then most likely your Power Apps app has experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed. To fix this, first go to settings on your phone, and from this, look for apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app. Here it is. And then go to force stop and OK. And finally go to clear data and clear cache. Okay. Finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and go to your Power Apps app, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, should you still encounter a challenge at this point, then check and see if we have an update for your Power Apps. For that, go to Google Play Store if you are on Android like me, or App Store if you are on iPhone, and from here search for Power Apps and update it to the latest version. You also want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN app on your smartphone, as this might be the main reason you are experiencing this. However, if this still doesn't work, then try and use Power Apps using a web browser like this one and see if the same error occurs. Should the same error repeat, then most likely Microsoft Power Apps platform has experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes, try again, and now everything should be okay. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.